Hey there, Greg Marchand here. Change happens. I know, we as humans hate change, and I totally understand that. But here's the thing, stuff changes, right? And it's really important that you respond to the changes in the industry. What's going on today? Well, the proliferation of electric vehicles is one thing that's going on. Now, I know there's a lot of stuff around that, and I get it, but it's not going to change the fact that our work mix is going to change in the next 2 to 10 years, right? And so that's a change that we have to respond to. A change in technology we respond to with training. We also respond with marketing to market to those new customers who are purchasing those vehicles or the early adopters of those types of vehicles. We've seen this. We went through this with fuel injection back in the day. Yeah, I'm an old man. I remember carburetors. Barely though, barely, I promise. We went through it with the hybrids. Look, right? Hybrids are nothing anymore. We think nothing of working on hybrids. EVs will be that soon. So how do we respond to it? We learn as much as we can. And that means your market too. Your market's getting younger. They want to be communicated with differently. Their expectations are different. You've got to read, you've got to attend training, and then you've got to implement action items to respond to those industry changes. Keep up the great work. Don't forget to subscribe. Reach out to me if you need help, and keep up the awesome learning. Never stop that, right? Take care, folks.